Ever wondered how some YouTubers seem to strike gold with every video? What if you could do the same and start earning $100 every single day? Yes, it's entirely possible, and I'm here to show you how. Today, we're diving into a viral AI niche that's not just trending, but also incredibly lucrative. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, this strategy can transform your channel and your earnings. I'll walk you through the entire process, from crafting the perfect script to creating an eye-catching thumbnail, and finally uploading the video with all the right tags and descriptions. We're covering it all, ensuring you have the tools to replicate this success. So get ready, and let's get started on this exciting journey to making $100 a day through YouTube automation. Part 1. Script from video. A great script is like a roadmap for your video. It guides what you say and how you present your content. It ensures your video flows smoothly and keeps your viewers engaged. So why is a script so crucial? Simply put, it organizes your thoughts and helps you deliver your message effectively. Now, where do you find ideas for your script? That's where tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public come in handy. With Google Trends, you can see what topics are currently popular around the world. Just type in a term and it shows you how much interest there is in that topic. Answer the Public works a bit differently. It gives you a list of questions people are asking about a keyword. This is gold for figuring out what your audience really wants to know. Once you've got your topic, it's time to write your script. Start with a brief introduction that hooks your audience. Then move into the main content where you dive deeper into your topic. And finish with a concise conclusion that wraps everything up. Keep your sentences simple and your language clear to make sure everyone can understand. Here's a practical tip. Use an AI tool like ChatGPT to help draft your script. Just describe your video topic to it and it'll provide you a basic draft to work from. It's like having a virtual writing assistant. Part 2. Voiceover. Choosing the right voice for your video is crucial. The tone and pace of the voice can really affect how your message is received. You want a voice that fits the style of your video and speaks to your audience effectively. If you're not comfortable recording your own voice, or if you don't have the equipment, no worries. You can use natural-sounding AI voices. These AI tools offer a variety of voice options, so you can pick one that best suits your video's tone. Next, let's talk about recording your voiceover. A great tool for beginners is Audacity. It's free and easy to use. Once you open Audacity, simply click the red record button to start. To stop recording, hit the stop button. If you make a mistake, you can easily cut that part out. Just click and drag to select the part you don't want, then press delete on your keyboard. Finally, syncing your voice with your video is key. It's important that your audio matches the video clips perfectly. After importing your voice file into your video editing software, play it alongside your video. Watch and listen carefully. If the voice doesn't match up with the video, you might need to trim or extend certain parts of the audio. This ensures everything flows smoothly and keeps your viewers engaged. By choosing the right voice, recording cleanly, and syncing carefully, your video's voice-over will enhance your content and help keep your audience interested. Part 3. Video editing. Editing your video might seem tricky, but with the right software, it becomes a lot easier. For beginners, I recommend using Shotcut. It's free and very user-friendly. If you're looking for more advanced features, CapCut is a great free option with some paid features. Both of these programs will help you make professional-looking videos. Now, let's talk about the basic editing steps. First, you need to import your video clips and voiceover into the editing software. In Shotcut, you do this by clicking Open File and selecting the files you want to edit. Once your files are in, it's time to start editing. To cut a clip, select it in the timeline, find the point where you want to make the cut, and click the Split at Playhead button. It's that simple. Adding transitions between clips can make your video flow better. In the software, go to the Transitions menu and drag the transition you like between two clips in the timeline. To insert background music, just import your music file the same way you did with your clips and drag it onto the audio track below your video clips. Lastly, adding effects can really spice up your video. Shotcut and CapCut both have various effects you can apply. For example, you can brighten your clips if they're too dark, or add a blur effect for a creative touch. Part 4. Thumbnail from Canva. Thumbnails are super important for your YouTube videos. Think of them as mini posters for your video. They grab people's attention and get them to click on your video. A good thumbnail makes a big difference in whether someone decides to watch your content or skip it. Let's create a great thumbnail using Canva, which is a free and easy-to-use graphic design tool. First, go to Canva's website and sign in. Once you're in, Click on Create a Design and choose YouTube Thumbnail from the options. This gives you the perfect size for YouTube. Canva has lots of templates to start with. Pick one that fits the style of your video. You can then customize it by clicking on the elements you want to change. Want to add your own photo? Click Uploads, and then upload an image or video to add your file. Drag your photo to the template to replace the existing image. You can also change the text by clicking on it and typing what you want. Choose fonts and colors that are easy to read and stand out. When you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Click the Download button at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure to select PNG or JPG format, as these work best for YouTube. Download the thumbnail to your computer. Creating an eye-catching thumbnail with Canva is straightforward and doesn't take much time. By following these steps, you'll have a thumbnail that not only looks professional, but also maximizes your video's click-through rate. Part 5. Upload video, tags, description, etc. Uploading your video to YouTube is the final step in getting your content out to the world. First, sign into your YouTube account. Once you're on your YouTube dashboard, look for the camera icon with a A+ sign, usually at the top right of the screen, and click on it. Select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. This opens up the upload page where you can drag and drop your video file or click to browse and select your file from your computer. Once your video is uploading, it's time to optimize it so more people can find it. Start with a compelling description. Your description should explain what the video is about in simple, engaging words. Include keywords that are related to your video content. These help your video show up in search results. Now let's add tags. Tags are keywords related to your video that help it appear in search queries. Use a tool like TubeBuddy to find effective tags. TubeBuddy shows you popular tags that relate to your content. Simply type in a general idea of your video in TubeBuddy, and it will suggest a list of successful tags. Add these tags in the tags section below your video description. Lastly, if you want to earn money from your video, you need to enable monetization. Go to the Monetization tab on the upload screen. If your channel meets YouTube's requirements, you can turn on monetization for your video by clicking Monetize My Video and selecting the types of ads you want to display. By following these steps, you'll not only upload your video to YouTube, but also optimize it to reach a wider audience and start earning from your content. Conclusion. Alright, that wraps up our guide on how to find a viral AI niche for YouTube automation and start making $100 every day. We've covered everything from scripting to uploading and optimizing your video. Now it's your turn to put these tips into practice and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more ways to boost your earnings with YouTube. Got questions or want to share your success stories? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.